Una sa lahat, magpapasalamat ko kay Lord for blessing me with a woman like Marisol. Thank you, Lord, ha. Pandesal lang hinihingi ko. Hamburger pa binigay mo. May fries pa. Sa lola ko in heaven, alam kong masaya ka para sa akin. Dahil natagpuan ko yung babaeng pangarap mo para sa akin. Hindi ko nakalimutan ang bilin mo na dapat pag nag-asawa ko, maganda.
Tignan mo, biruin mo Brad. Napaka-pogi mo ngayon. Kakasal ka na.
Jamer, lagi nang sinasabi ko sa'yo dati, I stopped praying for someone to be with in this life. I have accepted the fact na baka hindi na ako magkakaasawa at pamilya. Na baka I won't have someone I could love and would love me in return. But God had other plans for me, for the both of us. He heard what my heart was really praying for.
Hey, guys! Mga pare, salamat. May gift ako sa inyo. Oh, iyan.
Oh, yun. Salamat.
At Diyos.
Uy,
You guys, pwede nyo nang buksan. Wow!
Grabe!
Guys, nagustuhan nyo ba?
For you, for being such a special girl. Thank you. Shall I isa? Never support your friend, yung jowa ko. Thank you. Thank you. Sabi daw siya.
It is a true joy and blessing to look around and see so many faces who have touched their lives. Now, every great story has a beginning. And Marisol and Jamer's story reminds us that faith can sometimes have a wonderful sense of humor and a surprising reliance on modern technology, more commonly known as a dating app.
Natapos na rin ang paghihintay. No more good morning and good night messages. No more tearful airport goodbyes. No more I'll see you next month. Ngayon, wala nang distansya na makakapag-iwalay sa atin.
I thank God na He let us meet in an unconventional way, pero just the perfect time. Saktong-sakto ng oras na parang talagang itidadhana tayo ng Diyos na magkakilala. Sana lang napaaga ng konti.
Somewhere in Tennessee, you're falling fast asleep, and I just crossed.
Salamat for making me feel loved since day one, for making me feel that I am all worth it.
If only
I will forever be grateful for the gift of loving someone as kind, gentle, and patient, and wonderfully weird person just like me. Para sa lahat ng efforts mo, sa laging pagpunta from Christchurch to Auckland, kahit hilong-hilo ka na, sa pagpapatawa sa akin at sa pagkanta at sa mga pagsayaw mo ng guitar, na para sa akin lang. Salamat for being you and for letting me be myself. I love the person I am when I'm with you. Jamer Christian Manubay Javier, with God as my witness, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. I take you to be my husband with my body. I honor you.
Sa wakas, I found someone who made the wait worthwhile. Someone who makes me feel the happiest I have ever been. Mahal, you are my comfort, the light of my life. Ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko. And I am thankful that I can always lean on you.
Jamer, you may now kiss your bride.
Excited na ako makasama ka sa bawat sandali, sa saya at sa lahat ng storya ng buhay natin. At ngayon, saksi ang lahat ng naririto, Jamer. Mamahalin kita sa bawat araw ng buhay ko. Ito ang pangako ko sa pagkabuhay.
I vow to always put you first and to prioritize our marriage above all. At pangako, kasama mo ko hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Mahal na mahal kita.